Hi, this is Jack Carey of the Vermont Go Club with a quick tutorial on how to set our new game clocks. These clocks have a power button on the bottom, this white button here. Press that once and we are powered on. We need to get into edit mode, and you do that by pressing the play pause button and holding. Once you see the mode blinking, you can press the plus button to change timing modes. What we're looking for is bonus and the letter A. Here we are. You can see bonus and the letter A blinking. That letter A lets us know that the increment time will be added after each move. To confirm the mode, press the check button. And this allows you to edit each digit for the time setting. For our tournament, we're going to be doing 15 minutes main time and 15 seconds increment. So we want to get rid of this hour. Confirm. And get this to 50 minutes. And confirm each of the digits. You'll notice that once one side is confirmed, the other side is copied over to the same time. These clocks allow you to have different time settings for each player, but we want the same time for both players. So let's just confirm. And now we are into the increment setting. And our increment is going to be 15 seconds per move. So let's confirm. And bump this down. Confirm. And now we're at 15 seconds. Confirm. Again, the time from one side will be copied over to the other side, so there's nothing left to do other than confirm each digit. And finally, one more confirmation, and we're ready to go. Now the clock won't start by pressing the lever because it's currently paused. And to unpause it or start your game, you press the play pause button just one time, and you should start seeing your time countdown.